Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new and have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so below. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you get all of our new posts. So today we're going to be looking at replacing the air filter in the BMW X3, and I went ahead and picked up a K&N brand filter, not sponsored, but they're good filters. I've used them on all my previous vehicles, the pickup, the Tahoe, the old Explorer. Not going for performance, just don't like throwing stuff away. And I do believe I get a little bit, at least in the Tahoe, my old Tahoe, I did notice a little bit of a better mileage. Only maybe a quarter or a half mile to gallon, but that adds up over time. Anyways, let's go ahead and get out the old air filter and A, make sure I got the correct one, and B, put the new one in. Alrighty, so with any luck, this is a pretty painless process. We can just take off these clips. There should be 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. And then we should be able to separate this. Hopefully I don't have to take out the whole air box. I may, so we'll just see what I can come up with. Yep, there's always something in my way. Okay, what I missed down here, blind as a bat apparently, is there is a little straight blade hose clamp that you need to remove right below the MAF sensor there. So we'll go ahead and unplug the sensor and unscrew that clamp. Again, proof I need better lighting here. So, again, a reminder to subscribe to the channel and maybe go ahead and wander over to our Patreon page. There we go, that comes out pretty easily. Get around our coolant hose here. Can lift it out without any further issue. Alrighty, so now I've already taken these clips off, so as you saw, it just kind of split apart in my hand. And here is our filter. Now, this is not dirty by any means, but we're at 90,000 miles almost, and I did not see a recent service record before I got the vehicle at 70,000 miles that it was received, or that it was replaced. So the nearest engine and general maintenance I found was about 54,000 miles. So it's not going to hurt anybody to put this in and replace it. I don't see a date code on there, so we'll just toss that. No chunks in the bottom of there either. And just for fun, we'll look down here. I don't see anything out of place down here either. Everything is nice and dry. I don't have any leak from any of my lines or hoses. My steering rack down there is nice and dry, so that's always positive to see. So as long as I have it out, I'm going to clean up the mass airflow sensor and put everything back together with our new K&N filter. And of course I did get the right size, so that's great. Alrighty, Well, I've got the filter casing here. The filter itself is already pre-oiled, so I don't need to do anything to that. Just set it in place here. Take the cap, line it up with the guide holes. Our metal clips out of the way. Clip it all back down. Easy as that. And reassembly is very easy too. Reassembly is very easy too. Just make sure we set it back in here, get the light. Make sure we set the air box back in this little groove here to make connection and stay attached. And then the front of it's attached. You can see down here that the airbox is indeed slotted into that intake and made a connection there. Then we'll go ahead and slide our hose on the back here next to the mass airflow sensor and tighten that up. Go ahead and reconnect our mass airflow sensor. And we are all done. So overall, a pretty easy project to do. Took me maybe 10-15 minutes. So took longer for the air filter to get here. Anyways, next step for me here on the maintenance list is the oil change. But I'm not going to show you that. That is in a different video. You can check that out below. And until the next video, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.